Hello everyone, the reason to be recording this video is to show you a little and a further explanation about the structure present progressive, because you are going to be making a test in the next days, in the next few days. So that's why I'm recording this tutorial for you to be able to study for a while. So what we're going to be presenting is the present progressive, which is going to be a structure handled in 4 steps in general. The first step is going to be built by subject, which can be any person, and among these subjects we're going to have I, you, he, she, it, we, they, or otherwise the compound subjects, such as my mom, my parents, my family, and I, etc. The second step is going to be the verb being conjugated in present. The conjugation of the verb being present, you already know, is very simple. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. And the third step is going to be the main action, but this main action is going to be in the gerund form, which is with the ending ing. For example, play, playing, go, going, look, looking, upload, uploading. And in the case of the verbs that are finishing in E, we are going to eliminate the E and we are going to write the ending ing. So in that way we're going to have taken, and in the same way this is going to be applied in make, which is gerund is make it. And everything is going to be followed by a complement. The complement of the statement, the complement of the information, that can be anyone. Okay? So, we're going to see how to build up an example. I'm going to build an example right here. And I say, for instance, step number 1, my subject. Step number 2, the conjugation of the verb be, am. Step number 3, the main action in gerund, playing. And step number 4, a complement, video games.